patient concierge services, we don't directly recommend a surgeon for legal reasons, but what we will do is empower our customers and patients to make a choice independently. And we'll do that by giving as much information as possible on the experience, the availability, and the budget. So when I was learning more about you, Dr. Putri, one of the questions that was coming up a lot from our inquiries is they couldn't see much evidence online in terms of like Google reviews, or if they search for your name in Facebook groups like Facelift in Bali, founded by Pamela, people will search for the name and then they'll come up with people who've had an experience with that plastic surgeon. But for you, there's not much evidence out there. But we've still managed to get quite a few people booked in with you this year.
It's very nice.
So for anybody who has any concerns around that, what would you say?
Yeah. So about actually many patients ask me about the before and after pictures. Usually if you join several of my teleconsultation, I'll prepare them like this presentation.
Like a presentation.
Yeah, sometimes if they want it, I will present about the detail of the surgery procedure. But our regulation here and also my belief, I'm very honored and concerned about patient's confidentiality. And here we have the form actually about whether this patient want to be published. They can choose. They want to be published like only, say like the conference. They want to be published like on our Instagram. They want to be published in other way. They can choose or they don't want to be published at all. And most of our patients here come seeking for a private services. Yeah, so I really respect their wish to be private. Yeah, because that's their body, that's their face. So I have to be respectful for that. And also regarding the law, of course. Yeah, but usually on presentation, I'll give an example, like one of two patients that they're willing to be published. But if they're not, there's no compromise. I won't do that.